What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we can get in the video, if y'all have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It will help me out. I will be bringing content to the channel once every 3 days, so y'all go ahead and click that subscribe button. Anyways, meeting with Matt. We're going to go to some pond. He says it's a top secret pond, so hopefully it's really a top secret pond. There's some giants in there. Anyways, he said that one of his friends broke off 5 bass in there last time they went. Hopefully we can do the same. Well, not break off, but catch the 5 bass. Yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, anyways, I'll catch y'all at the pond though. Oh my gosh. Little dinker. Yeah, for real. Hey, they're so short and fat. That's so weird. Giant. Alright, so I really just realized I have not been giving any insight on what's actually happened. So anyways, we were at that other pond, but now we're jumping over to this pond and we're going to see if we can catch anything here. It's a good one. Never mind, no, it's not. Still a fish, is it? Little fatty. Get on those trees over there. Oh god, dude. Go! Oh my god. Dude, go that way. Yep, there you go. There you go. Good job. How you doing? Can't? Alright, I'll leave. Alright. Sorry?
We've already talked to him, the owners of the plane and stuff.
Okay. Sorry about that.
It's a gated community and fishing out of their pond.
Okay. How you doing?
You said you guys do a lot of YouTubing and fishing and stuff?
Yes, sir.
That's cool, but unfortunately this is a private pond.
Okay. Well,
Alright, you guys good?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Thank you.
It is hot, hot, hot.
Any bites?
Yeah, I caught one.
Big one?
No, I was about a pound in the tree.
Some old lady came out here and complained.
Oh.
I swear. She's like walking her dog and they showed up. She goes, "It's them in the white truck."
Wait, the one that we saw? That was over there? I hate people like that. About it. It was ridiculous. I cannot stand this area we live in. It's like they're against fishing completely. It's ridiculous. I mean, would they rather want me being out on the streets smoking weed or fishing? Like, they're acting like I mean, why do you think so many people smoke weed today? It's because, and like, there's crime. The crime rate's up so much because of crap like that. They won't let you fish a pond. I mean, what else? So I don't got nothing else, so I'm gonna go smoke weed. I mean, that's how they're thinking. It's for real ridiculous. But anyways, I thank y'all for watching the video. If y'all have not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It'll help me out. I post 1 to 3 days a week. I just completely screwed up there. Once every 3 days, 2 days a week. So yeah, I'll put Matt's channel in the link below and y'all go check him out, and I will catch y'all next time.